How you doing, friends? I'm on an iPhone today because all my cameras are full, and yeah. I wanted to show you guys this one. So it's that truck there. Rear end's blown out of it, so we're putting the inner axle lock in. We're gonna pull it out of here because it just there's no way out, and I ain't about to back this thing off on this tiny little bridge over here back onto the road. So let's watch Mr. Paul get on out of here, and we'll get this thing loaded up. She don't sound happy at all. Doesn't she? I know. I just didn't want to. I would have got it around either way. Whether I yank it or drive it. There's something in it that's really not happy. Alright, well, I'm gonna get my fat ass backed into here and we'll get it loaded up and get it gone. You want to crawl under there and make sure the jack shaft isn't all... Oh. Okay. Alright, let's get her in. Alrighty. I had to move out of the way so this guy could back in. Well, we got it back here now. So we'll load this bad mamma jamma right here. Okay. Let's see what kind of engine he has in here. Oh, it's a kitty cat. Meow. Meow. Alright, let me get backed up to it. And we'll, alright, we're gonna hook air to it real quick before I back underneath it because I have to open up the hood. Because we go right here. This is the compressor. Go right into the compressor, and it feeds the tanks from the top one. So that is what we are going to do. Okay. I guess I need my mittens real quick, so hold on, I'll go get my mittens, man. It's hissing a little, so I want you guys to listen to this. Aw, I was hoping for something a little more dramatic. Cut it! Alrighty, we got her. Took some doing, but she's mine now. Hello? Is she uneven? I don't know. Let's just keep going, see what happens. Just kidding, I knew exactly what was gonna happen, okay? Just chillax, would ya? Look at that. Look at that mintiness. No, it's not minty, but that's minty. All right, now we're gonna pull some axles. I'll probably only show you guys pulling one of them. But yeah, it's that's where we're at right now. So let me get this sucked in. I'm gonna throw some straps on it, and then we'll go ahead and pull these axles. It's one of my least favorite things in the world. Goes Freightliners, just in general as a truck, and then pulling axles. I'm a Freightliner hater. Do what you want with that information. All right. Hey, I believe that's what he's using to catch the fluid.
Heads up would be good.
Heads up. Heads up, Paul. I'm moving it forward. As if he doesn't know what I do. Only put one semi on his chest. It's not like I've ever put two. God. Ugh. All right, now we just pray to the Kenworth gods as we go over this. And yeah, give me a minute. I'm gonna grab some straps and we'll get this all strapped up.
Okay, I've got the strapper dappers. I'm gonna pull my safety screws out. So I'm gonna go crawling. See, I'm down here now. What we're gonna do is here, throw this here strap around that axle there so it don't pop out. Know what I mean? You know what I mean. It's not your guys' first rodeo. You guys have been here before, right? Now you see, I pulled my safety chain down before I sat down. Hello? So I didn't have to stand back up because I'm lazy. Alright. Now we're just gonna throw this over the leaf springs here. That way, if it falls off, she don't go nowhere. She's mine now. Open! Sorry, lost my cool for a second, guys. All right, I'm gonna do the other side, then we'll get to pulling axles, so stand by.
Axle time. All right, let's get this pulled out. Well, all out. So we're ready to go. Dryer is leaking a little bit of air, which is not normal, but it's fine. You know, I don't give a shit. I checked my air pressures inside my cab, and they're all normal, so therefore I won't worry about it. It's just whatchamacallit. Oh, I forget. Anyway, it's time to go. So we'll holla at you in a little bit, dog. We're gonna head on down to Pleasant Grove, Utah. We're in between Park City and Heber City right now. They call it Jordanelle or whatever. I don't know. I'm just from here, dog. All right, well, let's get out of here. We'll see you in Pleasant Grove. All right, we made it. Had to back it through there to back here. But they don't pay me the big bucks for no reason. So, look how well those held up. I mean, yeah, there's a little bit of remnants, but that's also from an idiot spilling. because I mean, look, they hold up real dang well, don't they, Paul?
What's that?
Your
My little invention.
your little invention, your little flooring. So we use leftover flooring because we're too cheap to buy the things.
Every time we go somewhere.
Yeah, we just leave these on when we're done, so that way it doesn't keep tripping or whatever. I don't know. It is what it is. That's how we do it. That's how we're gonna do it. But we're gonna get this dropped, and we're gonna get the hell on out of here. Just like that, we're all done. I got the fitting put back on. I got the axles leaned up against the duals there. Paul's scratching his head because he doesn't know what he did. And now I'm gonna close the hood. One-handed, like a boss. I'm sure lots of you can do it one-handed, but this hood is, in better words, fucked. It's a little mangled. I'll show you. Those are the hinges. They're a little worse for wear. But yeah. Now I'm gonna go home and watch TV. All in a day's work, friends. All right, if you like this video, like it. If you didn't like it, don't like it. I don't care. But like it for the T800. It's only the second time I've towed it for a issue like this. Last time it was a broken axle. This time it's a broken rear end. So give it a like for the T800. Give it a like for the T600. Putting in work all day, every day. Anyway, appreciate you guys coming along. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.